Hello, today we're going to be taking the gas tank off. I'm going to show you the procedure to take the tank off. First thing you want to do is remove this 10mm bolt at the back of the tank. Of course, you got to take all your plastics off first because your plastics hook into the side of your tank. So you have to have all your plastics off in order to get to your tank. Well, you remove this bolt from the back. Next, you need a 2x4 or something. Raise your tank up. Have something to set it on so you get underneath there to work. Okay, the first thing you need to take off is this line for the tank vent. The spring clip on it's pretty easy to push, so just take the clip off, pop off your line, take that clamp and put it somewhere so you don't lose it. And then you take this rubber line and just pull it out. Like so. And put it off to the side. Then this right here is your sensor for your fuel level. Unplug that. And then this is your gas line. You're going to need to prepare for this because you're going to get a little bit of gas leak, and this does have a check valve in it, so once we pop it off it'll stop leaking. I have a full tank of fuel, so you're going to see what happens when you take it off. I had already removed this once, and it may not have a lot of gas come out of it. Yours may have a little bit more, so don't panic. Let that little bit run out, then you'll be fine. What I use is these kind of hose pliers, because you have to get on both sides of this and squeeze and push at the same and pull up at the same time. So this is what I do. I push on it like that, just push them tabs in, and then just lift up. And see, I didn't have much gas at all because I've taken this off before, but you will have some gas leak out of it if you take it off. So put some rags down and get ready for that. Okay, so now you have those three things taken off. Okay, the last thing is there's a electrical connection down back here at the back. You have to pop that off. It just has a little clip right there you have to push down on, and it pops right off. No problem. And get it out of the way. Okay, now you've got everything disconnected. You can remove your wood. You have to pick your tank up, and it just slides down in there. So you got to kind of lift up on the front just a little bit to hold full pressure on it and slide it back, and then your tank comes off just like so. This is what it looks like with the tank off of it. In case you were wondering, because I know some of you probably have never taken your tank off. Now this is what it looks like on this side. Here's your coil. And here's what the front of the tank slides on right here. One on each side, those rubbers. And that's it. Okay, hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.